And today we're going to go over Summer Breeze by Seals and Crofts. Then we get into that bridge, just like the opening. Here's where I change it. Doesn't say to do this, but I just add a pinky right now onto that A minor 7th. What I'm doing for that care in the world part, not a care in the world, is I'm going to the 7th fret on your 4th and 3rd string, and your 5th fret on your 2nd and 1st string. Then I'm lifting that pinky off on the 3rd fret and going to the 6th fret. So it's